Wait a minute.
Go back up.
He has a long tail.
Yeah, he's gonna play possum. That is that a squirrel?
Oh my god. Wait, that's a
It's a
squirrel.
squirrel.
It's a squirrel. Oh.
Jessie, get him.
I told you it's my baby. Oh, he's gonna go nuts.
Jessie, grab him.
Hold him, Jessie. Hold him. I told you he was gonna bite you. Where'd he go? No, don't, Jessie. Don't, Jessie. I told you to leave it alone. He's hurt.
He's hurt, Jessie.
Don't hurt him. Fuck. Let him up, Jessie.
I'm free.
Oh, he's freezing.
Don't bite me again. I'm hurt. Grab my tail. Go get his towel. Grab my tail again. Get a towel.
Here, let me get a towel.
Help me get a towel.
Here.
Stop.
Hold it, just put it over his whole body.
I'm trying. I'm trying to get it. Please. It hurts me too. Are you kidding me?
Quit hollering.
It hurts me too. You want to hurt him on the squirrel?
Look, my friend couldn't take that candy and talk nice to her. Even though he's biting, let him just calm down. Let him bite the towel. Let him bite the towel.
That stuff hurts so bad when it bites you.
I know. Cover him up.
Hey, maybe the dog doesn't know.
It's soaking wet.
No,
We'll get another one.
Yeah.
I told y'all that was him. Why that hurts so bad? That's what I was going to say.
Now what are y'all gonna do with him?
I don't know. Help him.
You don't understand how bad that hurt, though.
I know.
We're gonna have to take him for rabies shots.
Me? What? Both of you. No.
Kelly, you better, Jessie, you better grab him.
Where's another towel?
Grab him.
No! He's gonna bite me again.
Now what are y'all gonna do with him?
You get a pair of gloves before you start
Spent
messing with it.
$40 on baby bottles and feeders. She went to the feed store and they told her what to give them. It's some kind of powdered milk.
She's like,
Powdered milk you buy them.
it's so hard, so cold.
And you give it to them in their mouth. Here's a dry one, Jess.
God, that hurts.
You want to put him in here?
I got him by the next week. Can't bite him.
Like, just let me, this is how I can see a pain.
Take it off the wet now and put him on the dry one.
All right, what would y'all like me to do? I mean, what would y'all like to do with him? We don't have a cage or anything.
He's all dressed up.
It's bigger than a sour. It's what it calls her. It's gonna bite me. Its mouth is open. I got it by its head. I'm just saying it's not gonna go.
Because, like,
I have a cage to put it in on the reel. I got that blizzard cage that
Usually I'm holding a fucking blanket.
we have a cage.
I told y'all he was trying to get in. Oh my God, his toenails are really tight.
Yeah, imagine his teeth.
He'll be fine. If y'all just leave him alone, he'll be fine once all this weather's gone. He ain't hurt. If he bit Jessie like that, he's not hurt.
Cold and wet, baby. He fell out of the tree. His nest.
He didn't get blood.
You need a shoebox. You got a shoebox? Yeah, like a Nike shoebox.
I love him.